replaced in 2000 with the other fixtures. I haven't seen a replacement for the 1000 yet. Just new built from the 1000.
Yeah.
It's probably December 2000.
Yeah.
The capacity is 10 per 1000 grams. This is serial number SH70434 with 7 floors. I think we should try 2 rides here.
Yeah. It's Latokartanonkaari 7.
Latokartanonkaari. No, in Viikki.
Yeah.
Helsinki is for Uusimaa in Finland. We expect it next year, 2023. And there is no door close here. Triple doors, but it's still very nice.
Yeah.
It's almost amazing.
Mm.
K1.
That's just 100.
It's too busy.
Yeah. It was K1 or?
K1.
Yeah, so we can go to ones then.
Yeah. Let's go there. Yeah. We can press the button. We don't beep, but they don't always need to beep.
Yeah. Expected device maintained by Kone.
It is indeed a replacement because the sounds are like from an older elevator.
Yeah.
The sounds from the shaft.
Yeah.
The guiding rails. And the vibration. So 220 is all in 2020. This could also be like autumn.
That's